How about an amazing, cheesy queso birria to add to the menu? Let's make it meat mode style. You're gonna need 3.5 pounds of chuck roast and all these seasonings blended together, and we'll rub this onto the chuck roast and refrigerate it overnight. Next day we'll take it out, get that seared off on all sides. I'm using a cast iron pan with some beef tallow here. Then we'll place that in a crock pot with beef bone broth and all of those seasonings for about 4.5 to 5 hours until it's shreds nice and tender. Okay, next we're going to make our taco shells out of pork rinds, a cheddar and Monterey Jack cheese blend, salt and cumin. We'll set that aside while we shred our queso Oaxaca for the inside of the tacos. Let's set up our griddle, and on one side we're going to take our shredded beef, heat that up, saving room off to the other side to cook off our taco shells. You can make these as big or as small as you want. I kind of went with a street taco size, which is between 3 and 4 inches in diameter, using almost a half a cup mixture per taco shell. Get those spread out evenly and let them cook. Once you start to see the edges of the cheese brown up a little bit, that's how you know it's time to start adding your other ingredients, your beef and your shredded queso Oaxaca. Okay, here's that taste test. Let's see how we look. Unbelievable. Cheesy, meaty, looks so good. Consommé. Do yourself a favor and give these a shot. Let me know how they turn out.